car cleaning stuff, which is quite a lot there, and quite a lot there. Started a new project. Let's go and have a look. One part of it. So I've just spent the morning clearing out all of this over here. So that's a bit old, but it'll work. And this is the main one that'll go. I just pulled these shelves out. The best part was yesterday with Wes going across to buy this damn thing, and we had to go to two places, and they let me use the little K-truck to bring the thing home. It was stunning. She said, "You've got 1.5 hours." We were back in 40 minutes. So we've got bits and pieces up here, drying off. Yeah, gonna be pretty spiff, just putting kerosene in, but that's it. So this is my house, this half of the house, and it's only $300 a month rental. You see why I'm living in Japan, living the life. Yeah, so I left the outside, pretty scungy and old because I don't care, but the inside's pretty high tech. Editing suite upstairs, 7.1 surround, a bar. That will come later. So how it's going to look soon. I've got Wes's hat here, and on video of the construction because it looks too bloody funny, but it's all done.